Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today is Saturday. Sa tapisadon, ma'am?
21, Taron?
April 21, 2012. And this is the Lolong Park. Lolong Park na ba? Actually, ikaw mag-Iligan City. Mga agoy. Atong miyagi mga kuan, mga miyagi tuig. Mga agoy, bislig, tanda. Armi agi kami sa kuan sa Mati, Davao Oriental. Dahil sa Baganga. Ladies and gentlemen, this
Sir, dito rin dahil, sir.
Bisayas. Huwag mo pa direct sa Bisayas.
kuan, kining tuyok na mga Bisayas po, Cebu.
45.
San Juanico Bridge, among kakuan.
May gamay, anak. May gamay, sir. 35, sir.
Eh?
Dinin niyo ba ninyo may sis? O, kita mo business siya.
Masa ba na?
Dinin niyo ba ninyo may sis?
Oh.
Kita mo dito.
Ganaharami kung kuan, kung sa nga aning kami kamera. Balda na, balda.
Tara.
Balda.
Sir, dito rin, sir. Magdali! 100 meters, 200 meters, 200 meters.
I-focus namin. Video na video ha, i-focus na. I-focus ha.
Ano mineral water ba?
Na, sir.
Tingnan ang lupito doon, ba?
Kuan.
O saan ni Day? Bunawan, Eco Park.
Kuan. Consuelo. Masapia.
So this is the Bunawan Eco Park of the province of Agusan del Sur. And we are in this particular place here. I bought a while ago this mineral water worth 20 pesos, but actually in the market this can be bought only for 15 pesos. And the bid that is made, this is a very good business here. Lolong. And Lolong can be seen. Lolong is actually a crocodile, but there are many Lolongs in Malacanang, and especially also in the provincial government and city mayor's office. There are many Lolongs all over the world. They're eating the taxes of the people, ladies and gentlemen. So, in just a few minutes, we will be traveling from here, going downward to see for ourselves the actual site of Lolong. And they said that that is the biggest crocodile in the world. All right, thank you very much. You are also beautiful from Bunawan.